Impressionism. One of the earliest forms of declaring the 20th century music was known as Impressionism. This was based on art movement started in 19th century Paris-based visual artist, specifically Claude Monet, through this painting Impression Sunrise. The term found its way to the music in the late 19th century, early 20th century among French composers. The sentimental melodies and dramatic emotionalism of the preceding Romantic period had the themes and melodies that were easily recognized and enjoyed. In Impressionism, they were being replaced in favor of moods and impressions. There was an extensive use of different timbres, like to color or tone quality, and effects, vague melodies, innovative chords and progression, leading to mild dissonance through orchestration, texture, and harmonic usage. In music, a style initiated by French composer like Claude Debussy at the end of the 19th century. Ito, the term somewhat vague in reference to music, analogy of contemporaneous French painting, which was and it was disliked by Debussy himself, yung term na impressionism. The elements term impressionistic includes static harmony, emphasis on the instrumental timbres that creates shimmering interplay of colors like melodies that lack directed motion, surface or ornamentation, obscure substitutes for melody, avoidance of the traditional form, or kumawala doon sa normal paggawa ng music. Yun yung impressionism na nagawa ni French composer Claude Debussy. Impressionism music focus on conveying moods and emotion rather than the detailed picture. So, in Impressionism, yung visual impression of the specifically that moment, that shifting effect of light and color. Yun yung pinaka main goal ng Impressionism music. Next, the most prominent composer in the Impressionism music was Claude Debussy from 1862 to 1918, often regarded a master impressionism, and his works such as Prelude to The Afternoon of a Faun and La Mer are good examples of this connection with nature. Claude Debussy said, and I will quote, I love music passionately, and because I love it, I try to free it from barren tradition that stifle it. It is a free art gushing forth, an open air, boundless as the elements, the wind, the sky, and the sea. It must be never shut and become academic art. Debussy. Isa naman, sinabi niya, when I gaze at the sunset sky and spend hours contemplating its marvelous ever-changing beauty and extraordinary emotion overwhelms me. Nature in its vastness is truthfully reflected in my sincere, though feeble soul. Around me are the trees, stretching from their branches to the sky, the perfumed flowers gladdening the meadow, the gentle grass carpeted earth, and my hands unconsciously assume an attitude of adoration. To feel the supreme and moving beauty of the spectacle to which nature invites her ephemeral guests. That is what I call prayer. Medyo mabigat kay Debussy yung music talaga nasa ano niya, nasa katawan talaga niya eh. Yung paano niya, yung philosophy niya about music, medyo mabigat talaga. So, let's try to analyze Impressionism. Based on the characteristic, also, we give credit to Piano TV kasi dito rin nanggaling ang aking notes from her. So, Impressionism suggests and evoke but do not describe. Nagbibigay siya ng moods, like yung background natin, which is the uh, translucent and hazy like rain-drenched window na nakikita mo yung rain tapos yung image sa likod ng rain-drenched window malabo. So, melodies are replaced in favors of moods, impression. What is being seen in that particular time and moment. Sabi nga doon sa art form kanina, yung sa impression sunrise, is it's what the light, the action of the light, or yung kung ano yung pinoportray ng light. Okay? So, meron siyang vague melodies. It lacks a tonality, lack of tonal center. Then, rhythm niya, preform, fluid. So, pagka tinugtog nyo to, wala talaga siyang rhythm. Then, instrumentation, darker and lower notes, lower flutes and clarins ang gumagawa dyan. Muted horns, shimmery instruments kasi ang impressionism parang dreamy like eh. Kaya ginawa nila yung parang dreamy like sequences nilalagay nila sa pinapatrabaho nila dito na instruments yung harp or triangle kasi very dreamy talaga tong mga instrumento na to eh. Whole tone scale, meaning wala tayong ginagamit na semitones. Then, use of overlapping chords. Create an emotional mood. Yun yung sinasabi talaga ng impressionism. You create an emotional mood.